going, guys? So I haven't been uploading. I've had some issues going on, but we're here to make another riding video for you guys. Be like these 11 guys right here and hit that subscribe button, cause yeah, I don't know why. Just do it, please. But yeah, sorry I haven't been uploading. I've had some technical difficulties with my cameras again, and let alone just keeping my cameras up and running. So. Yeah, I'm sorry for not uploading. I know some of you guys, are, following me on Snapchat, or are friends with me on Snapchat, and, are like, dude, why haven't you been uploading? You need to upload more. And I know I've been trying to upload more. I'm just having troubles, that's all. And speaking of troubles, I was out here mowing the yard today. As you can see, the hood's up on both of these. There was corn and that stuff in my car, not carburetor, air breather. You can see that wire's being chewed. And all that stuff is locked inside the motor block. There's even more inside the motor, so yeah. It is not good for that mower. Or that one. That one's pretty bad too. You just can't, or I just can't get to the motor on that one without taking the hood off and taking all the plastics off. So that will not be happening. But yeah, no, I got this much of the yard mowed, and I got to about right here where I'm at now on the four-wheeler. Trying to get, and I started to smoke a lot more, and I was like, that's odd. And lo and behold, it's because the motor block was on fire. This thing is back on factories, but it still slips. Watch this. Whew. Oh man, she did not like that at all. Ow. Bro, I'm just trying to get my helmet adjusted. This poor wreck. He's been through so much. I wonder if I can do a wheelie right here. For any of you who are wondering if I was trying to do a hand drag there, yeah, I was, and then I forgot that I had a rack on it. That's what she said. Shoo. Oh yeah, the apple trees is starting to get some apples on them. Oh yeah. There's just a random baseball just chilling in my yard. POV, you're a baseball player? What is my dog doing, bruh? Oh yeah, I forgot I can't turn around right there. And yes, I did get this thing back up on 2 wheels. Ow. This thing just is not liking me today. Oh yeah, so next weekend we might be having a guest on the channel. Oh, I forgot old son was right there. Sorry, neighbor Zach, I almost killed your chicken. I don't know what his name is. I just call him old son. Because he stays over here now. Ever since Goldie got killed by a fox. He's just stayed over here. And he only really leaves if he hears a gunshot or a four-wheeler gets near him. And that's pretty much the only time he will leave. But then like 20 minutes later he'll be right back, if that. Ow, my booty cheek. Oh, let's go down the four-wheeler trail. Frick. Oh, crap. Ooh. Ow. Ooh, my throat. Kind of forgot how much torque this thing has. Because I haven't been riding this thing for a while. I've actually stuck to not being on the four-wheeler, actually. I've more so just been staying at home. Bump, 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 bump. I've more so just been staying up around the house. Cooking, mainly. Ow. Whoa. You gotta come back down here and put some corn out. I guess this just don't like me no more because of oh, I haven't been riding it. Yeah, I haven't uploaded in I think like 4 days. When I usually upload like once or twice a day. Oh, I forgot that was first gear. I was kind of expecting that to be that to be second gear and then just downshift and drop it into first into a wheelie. Like it stands up so easy. Like watch. This is with a little bit of a back roll. It just comes up so easy. Here, I'll let it get a pretty gnarly back roll. It just comes up so fast. Oh, we are down to 1 bar gas. Okay. Well, I guess before I run out of time on my camera, because I can only upload 15-minute videos as of right now because of my no editing software. But that will be changing, actually. I will be getting that, I think, later on today, actually. So, hopefully the next video, maybe even this video, will be edited. Got it. But I guess before we run out of gas, we will go up to the top of the road and back, I guess. Oh, that sucked. I'm so used to just whipping it into there. That's what he said. Don't demonetize. Well, I guess I can't get demonetized because not enough subscribers. If you could hear this thing, how I hear it, I don't think the mic will pick it up as of right now, but if you could hear it the way that I hear it, it sounds like this thing's turboed. Sounds like it's got a 9-blade billet turbo in this thing, just... There it goes. Just started whistling. Whistling diesel? No, I'm joking. Oh. Ow. Oh! That was a downshift. That was way too many downshifts. I thought that was... I don't ask, but I could have swore I put this thing in 4-wheel drive by doing that. But, like, I just don't like when I talk about it. Oh, come on. Oh yeah. But yeah, there's probably where I'm gonna end this video at. So hang on, I'm gonna actually do it over here. Ooh. Ooh. If you guys enjoyed this video, like I hope that you guys did, as I keep this in a constant just upward motion of a wheelie, I will catch you guys. Actually, yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.